morning, Scots. I'm Kim.
Happy Friday and welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Bree.
Let's get into some announcements for today.
First, our last food sale of the year is happening today. They will have hamburgers, pizza, boba, chicken strips, asada fries, snow cones, and so much more. Be ready and get some food today.
Second, seniors, caps and gowns will be delivered on Monday, April 29th during lunch in front of the finance office. You must have your ID or Synergy. If you are absent that day, you may pick it up in the activities office before school, lunch, and or after school with your ID, not during class time. Congratulations to Katie Johnson, Isaac Saleh Bell, Imani Jackson, Aramik Harris, and Paris Cook for being honored during grad awards hosted by Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority. These students represented Highland by showing academic achievements, leadership, and community involvement. Go Scots! Do you want to be part of a team next school year?
If so, listen up to our sports team.
They have some information.
Take it away.
Hello Scots, I'm Silas Salva.
Welcome to Sports, I'm Peter Parra.
And we have some announcements for you guys.
If you are planning to try out for next year's cheer team, applications are due today. Please go to cheerscots.weekly.com for the application.
You must have your physical uploaded to Sportsnet to practice and try out. Directions for Sportsnet are available in Activities Office.
Lady Scots, are you interested in playing girls tennis next year? No experience is necessary to join. If you have any questions, stop by 12B to talk to the coach ASAP.
Spring practice is happening for football. If you want to play next school year, talk to Coach Gutierrez about details. You can find him here at 7J.
Lady Scots, are you interested in playing girls basketball next year? Go to the Activities Office because there will be upcoming summer program this year for the team. Get the information ASAP.
Color Guard auditions are happening Tuesday, May 14th and Thursday, May 16th from 6 to 8 p.m. in the gym. Both days are required. No experience necessary. Please bring water, athletic, and dance attire to RSVP. Scan the following QR code right now. If you have questions, stop by 8D during lunch.
Drumline auditions. Join our drumline and front ensemble for the 2024 fall field season. Auditions are Thursday, May 9th and Thursday, May 16th from 6 to 8 p.m. in the band room. Both days are required. No experience necessary. To RSVP, please scan the following QR code. If you have any questions, stop by 8D for any questions. We are done.
Nice.
Let's go back with Kim and Bree.
Thank you for watching today's show.
And always remember to
Plaid up!